What's the difference between lie and denial?
When you lie, it means you're not stating the truth. When you deny something, it's either you are being accused wrongly and you want to deny it. So you want to state your own point of view. On the other side, also, people live in denial. They don't want to accept reality.
Exactly.
So it depends on the perception, perspective you're looking at it. So, but the two are not the same.
Okay.
Lie straight out is falsehood. But denial is either you are denying what somebody alleged you did, or on the other side, you might not want to accept reality. Like most Nigerians do. You tell them they have cancer, say God forbid. So that God forbid will not take the cancer away.
Exactly.
They're living in denials because of their level of faith.
So what's the difference between lie and denial?
Lie. Voila. Lie. Okay, lie. Now pursue a lie like for something that happened, and you said this is white and you call it black.
Okay.
You try to understand, right?
Yeah.
So that's lie. So
Okay.
and denial. I did something wrong at home. Maybe I was the one who broke the plate, like the ceramic.
Yeah.
Then and I happens to say no, I'm not the one. I don't know anything about it. So that's denial now.
Okay.
The difference between lie and denial. Lie and denial. The truth is, this is a very wide context, but I'll try to be concise as possible.
Okay.
Lie is the opposite of truth. But today you hear people say there are different perspectives to lie. Like some people say there is a white lie and there is a black lie. But lie is lie.
Exactly.
But lie is the opposite of truth. Then denial, on the other hand, is when you are denying something differently. Like maybe you were caught on a thing, or you are being accused of an issue.
Okay.
Maybe rightfully or wrongly, then you are denying. That is denial. And denial also entails some other areas too, like in terms of family, society, politics, and other areas.
There is a big difference between lies and denial. Now, if you ask me if I'm wearing black, I said no, I'm wearing white. I did not lie, I deny. That's why the Bible never said Peter lied against Jesus. It said Peter denied Jesus. But lie is you saying something that cannot be verified, and people tend to believe it to be truth. Let me give you an example. Nigeria is the only place where people were lied to that Nigeria play ball with India. Now, if you go to the NFA record list, Nigeria has not even played ball 5-a-side with India, talk less of playing football match 11-11. Now, a lot of people believe this lie to the point that people even defend it. You can hear people telling you that the reason why India don't play ball is because of the so-called match where they win Nigeria 100-1. They will tell you that India use ordinary leg to play ball. That is why India is banned. They will tell you that the only man that scored goal in that match is Sam Okwalaji, and that's where he died. So these are pure lie. Now there is need for me to define what is lie to you. The Bible called devil the father of all liars. In case you don't know, the devil does not have power. You can argue it anywhere, but I'm going to tell you this here. I'm not here to prove anything wrong. The devil does not have any power to kill, to steal, and to destroy. The power the devil have is to lie. That's why the Bible says he's the father of all liars, because he lied from the beginning. Not just yesterday. He has been lying from Genesis. So when the devil tells you that he has power, you have not proven it. You cannot verify it. You did not verify it, and you believe that he has power. He lied to you. Because lie means that you believe that he has power, but he does not have power. And that's what lie means. Lie is when somebody tells you that he's anointed, but he's not anointed. That's what the devil is doing. The devil will tell you that I'm the one that killed this man. He just lied to you because The devil does not have power to say the truth. So whenever he opens his mouth and tell you, I have power, he's automatically lying to you that he does not have power. And when the devil tell you good morning, two things is involved. Either the morning is not good or it is not even morning, he's telling you. So when he tells you that he can do all these things and I can give you money, he automatically tells you, I cannot give you money. For you to believe that it's the devil giving people money, then you are the one believing lies. Because he's the one lying to you. He cannot say the truth. There is no power in him. He was made to always lie. So he never for one day said anything truth. And there are so many lies that are coming basically from the altar, which the men you call your pastor are lying to you. I'm coming with more truth to prove these lies wrong. Thank you and God bless you.